Hi guys! I definitely sound more enthusiastic than I am. This post-COVID fatigue is just blah. So, as you guys know, I've been missing in action for the last 2 weeks, and I don't feel great yet, but I feel like I need to get over this COVID situation and start filming again. So I'm gonna do this vlog. This is like a random middle of the day situation where I'm starting. I was just like, I need to get back to work, and I'm doing it. So we're vlogging today. It's lunchtime. Actually, it's way past my lunchtime. It's about 3 o'clock. And we're having some mutton soup chawal for lunch. Then I have to go to an event, which is going to be really tiring, but we're going to trudge along. We've got some chawal and some yummy mutton soup. This is the yummiest thing when you're sick. It's my comfort food. Don't ask for a recipe because I don't know how to make it. This comes from my sister's house. Her cook makes it and it's like my favorite thing ever. It's called mutton soup chawal. Who's this handsome Bobby? Who's this handsome Bobby? Boop. Okay guys, we have a massive package that looks like it's come from Nykaa. Let's see what we have here. Guys, want to see me and my one true love? It's not this. This is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. That's Lewis Hamilton. That's me, drawn by my actual love. It's 4 o'clock and my batti is really down. This is the time where I usually lose like my energy and become getting there, but I have a few parcels that I have not opened. I opened a few days ago and then I lost energy and I lost the rest. So with this big guy, we're gonna open some small guys. Let's see what we got. Okay guys, gonna show you something I'm very excited about. So check out the handle. It's Mind Canvas. This is one of my subscribers that makes these beautiful personalized diaries. That's me, and there's stuff all that's special to me, and she's actually personalized this and sent this. This is so cool. Thank you. Get well soon. Shoes are the best. Thanks guys. Love the color. These are so pretty. Some nice products to try, and this is the new show with Bear Grylls and Ranveer. You guys know I love Bear Grylls. What's in here? Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a compass. A light for the head. A wing scale for travel. This is fab. I was actually gonna buy this, so thanks for this Netflix. And then we have this big guy, which is for the Nykaa sale with a lot of products. Oh my god, thanks guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like a recommends from the sale, like I usually do, like a Sherry recommends on my Insta. I can do that. And yeah, batteries are going down, and I don't mean the cameras, I mean mine. So is this, like, for those of you that have had COVID, this was my first time, and is this COVID fatigue, like, does it get better? When does it get better? Because I'm like pretty much done with 2 weeks now and I still feel very tired and I'm still coughing. When will this end? Okay, so it's looking pretty rainy and it's gonna rain soon, so we're gonna take Mister for a walk and we're gonna get suited up because it might rain. How cute is this guy? How cute are you? Cute, 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 cute.
See, funny thing about love is you never really know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there. True story.
Okay, this is like the weirdest angle ever, but I am very late. Just took a shower. Skin is looking very blah, so gonna do a little bit of skincare before I run out. I have actually changed up my skincare routine. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. I can kind of do an updated version um, with what I'm currently using, and I sound terrible right now. But this is basically just for like moisture, hydration, and like to look a little alive since we're going to an event and post-COVID fatigue. You're gonna be hearing those words a lot. Is real, my friends. No real makeup happening, just some tint. Got the new Benefit Play tint. Gonna try that and see how it looks. Sounds so nasal right now. I don't know why though. So really nice, like subtle pink. We're gonna throw on some accessories, blazer because it's freezing, and I'm gonna show you my look there.
Oh, yeah. All your troubles and pour me a glass of them bubbles. It's my cry and I'll party if I want, party if I want, party if I want. You only live once, but that's all I need, so keep it flowing and I'll buzz just like.
Morning, folks. It's day 2 of the vlog, and I sound terrible. Chai is being had. It's finally stopped raining after days and days of raining in Bombay, and I just got this parcel that arrived, which I want to show you guys. It's Indiewell. It's Deepa's launch, and it's amazing, as I said last time, to see my fellow creators doing amazing things. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box, but before that, just look at Madam. The daybed is hers now, pretty much. She sleeps here the whole day, like that. So this is the box. How cool is this? These are the 2 products. Thank you, Deepa. Can't wait to try these, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be an amazing launch in India. Everyone's very excited to try your products, so can't wait to try these. I will update you guys once I try them, and maybe do a review for you guys. Want a review? Comment. Just come, Sammy. Weber, can you explain this behavior?
This is very normal for a grown cat. She sleeps like 25 hours a day.
So this is how your daughter behaves.
I don't have a daughter.
You do, Papa
No.
Ki Pari. Also, are you basking in your success as a viral Punjabi singer?
Oh yeah.
Let's go, Joni. What, Joni, Moni? What, Litchi, Bitchy? Goody, goody. Goody, good. Leave it loose. No. Don't leave it loose. Let's go, Joni. I'm going to relax it into a stretch. One finger inside? No. Sorry, she's coming closer. Yeah. Good. Sorry, keep the slide it off now when you're saying. Yeah. Relax a little bit, put it out. Good girl, Sharon. Good girlie. Who got a new orange color?
So we are going for a movie after many months on a rainy day. What
Try
movie are we
yours.
watching?
Try
We
yours.
went once in between.
It's been over a year.
Over a year, yeah. But what are we watching?
I don't know, you know.
You don't know what we're watching.
The new Tom Cruise movie, which is also
No, we're
new.
not watching the new Tom Cruise movie. We're
No.
watching Elvis.
We're watching Elvis?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm good with that.
Anything else?
Thank you.
Parker received as much as 50% of Elvis.
Don't ask me like it's always about Weber. Weber putting me on the spot always.
How was the movie? Okay, so the movie was fab. How was it for you?
It was fab.
Just a single fab,
Yeah.
not a
Because
like
I'm not
triple
used
fab.
to saying like one thing thrice. No, but it was very good, and the actor, I don't know his name, but he was amazing.
He was
It
amazing,
was like
yeah.
he was Elvis. Like,
Yeah,
what a great movie.
amazing. Okay, so this is usually my washing and drying routine right now with the current haircut, because if I don't dry it with the monsoon, it's really big. So it's really nice and sleek when I actually do like Dyson it, and it takes 2 minutes. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Just took a shower, relaxed, gave Mars a bath. Didn't really film all of that because you guys see it a zillion times. Now just gonna eat a massive dinner.
You get mad when I ask what you're doing. Got me up all night, just feeling stupid. For wondering where you are and why we play this same game every other weekend. With my heart in the palm of your hand, tear it all apart.
So we eat the same thing every Sunday.
Yeah, we do, because when you find the best thing, eat, then you just keep ordering that and having it.
I'm having double of it. And that is my baked egg with avocado.
But not enough to stop.
Who's a good boy? You, yes. Okay guys, it's been a lazy Sunday. Me and my roomie are just chilling since our other roomie has left. So this is usually our Sunday routine. If we're in Kolaba, we walk Marzi, we go get breakfast, and either usually watch something or unwind. Today Weber had some work, so he's gone back, and I am feeling tired already, so I'm in bed gonna watch something and just relax a little, because again tomorrow I have an event to get to and I have a lot of like shooting to get back to, but I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I'm very excited about. Number one, pens. Why am I holding the multa? So Pentel Energel is my pen of choice. I have spoken about this many times in my videos because I love these pens, and you guys know I write a lot. Like I have like diaries everywhere where I just make like ridiculous number of notes for everything. I don't want to show you my notes. I'm not showing you my notes, but like video ideas, meetings, everything. Like I even have a personal to-do list, business to-do list always. So when I had COVID and I ran out, like I even have refills for Pentel Energel, by the way, but I finished my pens, my refills, everything, and I was like, oh my god, how am I to survive? And I used another pen for like a week, and I was so unhappy. And I just like today finally Weber was like, I'm taking you to buy your pens, and I was like, yes, I need to buy my pens, like because it makes such a huge difference, right? Like when you have a good pen. So I don't know. I mean, this is not sponsored, or nobody from Pentel Energel has ever paid me anything, or even in pens. It's just my love for the pen. And this is what I'm gonna have now, which is the vitamin C, and it's very therapeutic to watch. So are you ready? I find this the most therapeutic thing to watch as the tablet dissolves in the water, and I don't really know if it's doing anything. It's just supposed to be vitamin C and zinc, but I'm just having it right now for a while with the COVID fatigue. Any other tips you guys have to get rid of COVID fatigue? What did you guys do? Please leave in the comments, because that is something I'm struggling big time with. And yeah, all I want to do is snuggle in bed with Rooney and just like sleep. So guys, that's it from me. Nothing new and exciting through the day today. I will just go for my third walk with my friend and chill and unwind and get some work done and sleep. If you enjoyed the vlog, give it a big thumbs up. Comment below with all the zillion questions I've asked you. Answer them in the comments. And yeah, I'm excited to be back. Are you excited to have me back?